The production process of an ice cream factory. First, workers put buffalo milk cream into a mixer for preliminary mixing. Then, some milk powder is added to enhance the flavor and protein content of the ice cream. After mixing evenly, the mixture is transferred to a reaction kettle. The appropriate amount of syrup is added, and pasteurization is performed using the high-temperature, short-time method to sterilize. Next, homogenization is carried out to shorten the aging process, making the ice cream soft overall and giving it a smoother, finer texture. After homogenization, the ice cream base is directly poured into molds, and wooden sticks are inserted. After quick freezing and shaping, the ice cream base is ready. Then it is coated with a layer of chocolate and nuts, and quickly frozen again with liquid nitrogen. A chocolate ice cream is then completed. The secret to the ice cream's softness lies in the homogenization process, which disperses the fat into as many tiny fat globules as possible, injecting a certain amount of air into them. This causes the fat globules to encapsulate the air, resulting in a soft overall texture. This is the reason why ice cream doesn't harden even after long.